this is a quick video on how to transfer Citi ThankYou points over to its transfer partners. It's not as easy as it sounds. It's not as easy as Chase, American Express, or Capital One Venture Miles or Built Reward points. So that's why I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to transfer your Citi ThankYou points over to its transfer partners. As a reminder, never transfer your points unless you know exactly what you're gonna do with them. Once you transfer them over to its transfer partners, your points are stuck with those airline or hotel transfer partners. You can't transfer them back over to Citi ThankYou points. So something to keep in mind. So let's jump over to Citi.com and I'm gonna walk you through how to transfer your Citi ThankYou points over to its airline or hotel partners. So here on the Citi page, after you log into your Citi account, in order to be able to transfer Citi ThankYou points, you need to have a Citi Premier card or the Citi Prestige. The Citi Prestige is currently discontinued and not open for new applications. If you have other Citi ThankYou cards like the Citi Custom Cash or the Citi Double Cash, then you can also combine those points over to the Citi Premier and transfer those points out. If you're interested in any of these cards, I'll have my affiliate links down below, and applying through those links helps support the channel. Once you're logged into your Citi account, what you want to find are your Citi ThankYou points, which mine is over here. You click on View and Redeem. Then you're taken to this page. You would assume that this would be the page where you can find a button that says Transfer Points. Well, no, that's incorrect. You have to do a couple more clicks, go through a couple more pages in order to be able to transfer your points. And so what we're gonna do is go ahead and click on Travel Reward, and then it'll take you to this page. And you would assume that on this page, you can transfer your points. There will be a button to transfer your points, and the answer is no, it's not on this page either. And so what you have to do is continue clicking on and click on See All Ways to Redeem. After you click on See All Ways to Redeem, you can scroll down, and this is where you'll find the option to points transfer. You want to click on Get Started, and then this gives you the list of all the transfer partners you can transfer your Citi ThankYou points over to. There are some airlines and there are also some hotels as well. Let's say we want to transfer points over to Avianca Life Miles. We're going to click on Continue. It takes you to this page, and it tells you have to transfer in 1,000-point increments, and you can specify how many points you want to transfer by using this slider or specifying the numbers down below. And down below that, this is where you link your Avianca Life Miles member number to your Citi ThankYou points. Click on Remember if you don't want to have to input it every single time. Click on Accept, click on Continue. This is the confirmation page, and it says up here that transfers to Avianca Life Miles often are completed within 24 hours. However, the process may occasionally take up to 5 business days. So that's the caveat, is that in most cases, it might transfer instantly or within the day, but in some cases, to cover their ass, they say that it might take up to 5 days. So just FYI. And then down below that, there are some more bullets about no cancellations or returns. And so again, you can't transfer your points over to Avianca Life Miles and then transfer them back. It's a one-way street. You only can transfer them one way. Click on Transfer Now and your points will transfer, and then you'll receive an email confirming the transfer, and you just have to wait for the points to show up in your Avianca Life Miles or your whatever program miles you're transferring over to. So that's what it's like to transfer Citi ThankYou points over to its transfer partners. If you want me to make a second video on my favorite transfer partners for Citi ThankYou points, comment below. And if you like miles and points content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one.